everybody! Today we brought some strawberries and we went to the store and I bought some things, but we already passed those. And this is what it looks like. My aunts are here. Say hi!
Hi.
Okay, show it to everybody else.
Irish.
That's Irish. That's
Show your
Irish.
mom. Show your mom.
There's
Your
my
mom should,
mother. Okay, I'm gonna show you.
Macy.
I got 3 cousins.
Show your mom.
And this is my mom again, and this is Tita Laura. This is Papa driving. And
Papa drive.
I'm gonna show you something. And this is Baby Shark. So today I got lots of sweat right now. But we had a great day when Dad just came.
$13 binayaran namin. 13 ata ba yun?
So it takes $13 for our, struck.
Ganun pala system. Pag may farm ka
And now
na.
we're going back home, I think. But I think that's
Sino kaya may-ari ng ganyang farm? Corporation kaya yan.
when the first time that happened, I was like,
Pamilya.
"Hmm."
Pamilya. Yung dito.
Yeah, it's so funny.
Ibang tax kapag ka-farmers eh.
Iba?
Mas may incentive sila eh.
Nice, right?
May pa baka
The one is like super hot. Like when I touched it, oh, it's
Why
nice.
not?
Cool.
Kung yun ang pad for
Yeah, it's
PR.
Palayo ng
Mayaman yun, no?
Palayo ng tobi ko.
Like,
Mayaman yun, no? Mga farmer.
Hindi, ang layo kasi sa Walmart.
Ah,
Kaya ang layo sa
ang
Walmart.
boss ko nakatira sa farm, si Kim.
Eh, balik gusto yan niya. I think.
wait, why is it flashing in the sky? I have a radio. Look, that's the grass. Oh, I think there's a house coming over us.
Akala ko kanina palay yan eh. Ano to yun?
Oh, look at this thing.
Yung kinakain nating wheat bread. Actually, ang wheat is
Papatipan yung ba dyan?
Pero pahit ko ito nung pinangatsin ko. Balik ka
Ay, wag na.
We went to a farm. It was super fun, right,
Akala ko
Mama?
yung palay na inaano.
Ma, was the farm great, Mama?
It was amazing.
Hapo at I thought is it amazing?
I think the most person who enjoyed the strawberry farm is Ate Ice
And me.
and Macy because they like picking the
Sabi ng babae, kinuha niya
I
lahat
love
ng maganda.
picking, especially when it's apples.
Sabi?
I love
Oo,
it so
may
much.
marunong eh.
You know, apples, apples.
Hindi lahat dun marunong.
So we used to went to one strawberry one, but it was closed, and then we went to another one, which is like a family farm.
magagawa mo,
But,
mga anak na magsasaka.
It's closed again.
Saka nang magbababoy.
Sarah, hindi mo nakita yung ano to.
It's
Parang yung office mate ni ko, te. Sabi, anong ng pamilya mo? Magbababoy at saka magsasaka yung balat.
that's good.
Magbabakal, saka
One of
ano,
it. I think
ano yung isa?
yes.
Magbababoy. Puta, mayaman pala sa Cebu yun. May steel company pala yun. Saka may...
May steel gum, kaya pala magbabakal.
It wasn't a water bridge.
Si yung asawa ni Ann Curtis at saka ni
Okay, I'm gonna show you some more.
Sule, meron silang farm, organic farm.
Canada's our place.
So,
Right?
nag-serve
But we're in a different place.
sila,
And this is
nag-senior sila ng
where I
mga
was
state.
born. Ooh, look at that.
farm na
That one looks
Nasa
nice.
Cebu din.
Ooh, look at that. Oh, Canada again.
Natawa ko kung magbabakal, saka magbababoy.
Kala mo magtrabaho. Yung pala, stock-limpak pala yung farm.
Steel company pala, malamang.
Makita nyo lang kaya na.
Sweetheart, I need to listen into the GPS, okay? Sorry.
Nasa ano sa amin si Doña Paz. Yung wala po kasi pag nandun na yun. Kanin naman yung kanin. Ano naman yung sa mga sardinas. Namumubos pera. Huwag patali yun, million-million.
Wala na lang, umakin na.
ba seasonal yan? Ano ba?
Oh, seasonal.
Tarala, tarala.
Pagka ano, hindi ko alam kung nilalagay nila.
Kasi alam nila mamamatay.
Stand on God.
Kung negotiate ako po dyan, baka.
Mas malamig pa pagbukas.
Ba? Ano ba dyan?
Hindi, sila kami sa ulit.
And we even went to Team Hortons. Right,
Ayun, sa
Mama?
likod.
We went to Team Hortons. Yeah.
Sa aircon natin.
Nakabukas pa.
I'm in a bubble, yeah. I'm in a bubble, yeah.
Pero yung mga ganitong bahay, may sariling meter yan. May tangke ng gas yan sa likod na malaki.
I want to show the video
Yung
some.
tubig yan, di ko alam, hindi motor eh.
Hey, I'm gonna show you some things. Wait.
May mahal din ang maintenance kasi
Huh?
gas ka bibili.
Huh?
Pag snow kaya.
First,
Ayun, isa
this
pa yun.
Princess Peach
Yung cleaning, hindi ko
sticker.
ano.
Got one.
So lahat ng tao rito may pick up.
And I love it. I'm gonna show you my
Guys,
kitchen
okay.
inside out.
Hindi, parang may nag-keep
If you watch Inside Out too, you should give me a big thumbs up.
Ocho.
Big
Sulit na
thumbs
kasi
up.
ang dami niyang sticker sa kaan.
Can you put this video on the YouTube? And this is my character Joy. See?
Binawasan na nga rin ni ng
So cute. Oh wait, is it so cute? Like look, watch. See? Look at Joy. Hi, I'm Joy. This is Macy. Hi, Macy. Hi, Joy. I love Joy so much. She's my favorite character. Inside Out 2. Even the animation to sound is like whiny. But the animation is like complain. And look, Inside Out. But not Inside Out 2.
Gusto ko minom ng
I
tubig.
watched
Kaya
Inside
lang
Out
ayoko
2.
mai.
And then I saw the dark secret in the end. You should see the dark secret in the end. I saw it. And I was right. And I said Isa was right, and Mama was a little bit wrong, but and then
So parang sa regional pill yun eh.
At Sarah knew, but the ones that didn't know or a little bit didn't know is this: Papa, Tita Oreo, Mama, and a little bit of Tita Memen, a little bit of Mama and Tita Memen, and at the ear, super silly. Super silly. Okay, I'm gonna show you more things. This is my other Princess Peach.
Bigyan ko ng ng strawberry si Minnie. Kasi hindi, ako lang kakain sa bahay.
Yes.
And this is my other Princess Peach has a racer.
So yan, no, meron pa cherry picking. Pero hindi naman kayo kumakain ng cherry. Pero parang siyang butulan.
Nakakami sa... Ako kumakain ako nun, pero hindi ako yung tipong masyadong
Oh, I didn't show this one.
very well. Gusto nga may experience ng mga bata.
No.
Dami yan sa lolo.
One just fell off, but look at this one. This is Princess Peach again. Actually, I like this Halloween one. A little bit like Princess Peach, you know. A little bit like Princess Peach. You know.
Malungkot
But I
dito
actually
pag-
like the race car one. Really cute.
Oo, tapos walang...
First, we need to get race car. Okay. You want to tell about me, Mama? Tell everything about
Doon
me.
sila
No,
nakikiwalwal
I get my
na
sticker.
karin. Yung malapit.
So, what do I say?
You can say anything about me.
We went to a strawberry farm with Missy and the ates, and they won't stop.
They don't like
They
this
don't
stuff.
stop,
They don't stop.
and they eat a lot of strawberry. Do you like strawberry?
Not really. I would say like a little bit.
And Missy got a keychain. Show the keychain,
Yeah,
Missy.
I already showed it to her.
Okay, this is already 9 minutes. Should we stop it?
No.
Wala ka lang members.
Like, you can see where you will like try to get my sticker. Okay.
What do you need? I can get it.
I need my sticker over there.
Alright. Could you hold this for me?
Okay. So, it was a fun day. on my iPad. I'll put this on my iPad. Like, I'm gonna put this
Elmira.
here. And then,
Dito din yung ano, yung banda doon sa bungad yung
and then
ano
I'm
yun?
gonna put this diving one
Christmas tree
over.
na may option ka na ano. Kaya lang ayaw ni Kokoy mag-ani. Maglaga.
Anong tao? Manroso?
No, it won't stick, of course.
Ikaw po muna lang mas
Pag meron ng may bahay sa atin, let's buy that. Tapos tayo magde-decorate.
The first that one here. And then this one goes.
Sabi ko, pag may bahay, malapit na ako manalo sa loto.
Tutuloy na pa yan.
This one was some stickers that I don't need.
Pag, alam mo sa meron, pag meron
Lilinisan mo,
gano'n,
wawalisan mo araw-araw. Unti-unting na ano
And then
alam mo sa meron, pag meron gano'n, ang bango-bango ng bahay.
this one here.
Oo.
Hirap linisan na kasi siya.
And I want to stand like
As if
so.
naglilinis ka, Koy. Wag ka dyan.
Over here.
Hindi, ilalagay mo sa wall.
And this
Ay,
one.
kailangan tabasin.
This
Tinabas ko, hindi ako
one, I
nakatis.
guess
Tinabas ko
will
sa
go
loob. May cutter ako.
here.
Ang hirap ipas. Pag bumuka na siyang ganyan, di mo na magsasara yun.
Okay, later we're gonna do that actually when I come home. Ma, can I get something from that store?
man.
Oh no.
Ay, get something na naman.
Never mind, never mind, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna show you more stuff. I haven't shown you. Let me get my joy keychain.
What's this?
Oh, I didn't want it anymore. So, if someone wants it, they can get it. I'm not gonna get it.
Meron ba kayong pwedeng pang punas ng salamin?
Yeah, pwede lang.
Put some over here. Put some over here. Wait. So actually,
Ayoko na siyang iwanan kasi na hindi ako nagana pag ang labo ng mata.
okay. That means it should be it.
Gusto ko naman mas malaking ganyan eh, para hindi ko nawawala.
That is not here. Probably should be. Let's check in this ball bag. Oh yeah, here.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
I think so.
It's in here. Everything that you have is in here.
No, it's at the, oh.
Kaya kong i-detect ng camera dito na wala kayong
Ma, it's up for the heart one and the rainbow one.
papadala na lang
Can
ng
you
sulat
find
ng
it, Mama?
bayad ng 100.
Okay, well, Mama finds it. Just gotta do something. Let's play rock, paper, scissors.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
I need to find the hearts thing and the rainbow thing at the end. Okay, let's play rock, paper, scissors. So,
Okay lang naman saan pa, kaya lang syempre,
here we go.
pag hindi na summer, winter na,
May mention talaga yung ano, cheap and sweet.
Shoot.
Yung binili niyang tigda 2,000.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Sa loob ng bag ko.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Si Macy.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Here.
Here's the rainbow thing for my
Yung mga kaligayan
shoes.
dito, picnic lang.
So this is my heart one. Where's the ribbon? Oh, don't put it. That's what it
hindi ko alam kung gagawin na nila. I-upload yan sa YouTube.
Ay, mga...
I'm just trying
May
it.
walang beach dito.
Kaya nga, pag dinala mo doon, nakapag-iwan talaga.
Very spicy.
Tuntua nga
That's
sila sa
fine.
ano eh, sa
Nothing
puno
is-
ng nyog.
I guess
Tuwa sila.
everything's fine. Okay.
Walang puno ng nyog dito eh.
Yung buko eh,
Don't
di ba?
be sad. Don't
Meron
be
dito yung
sad.
maliliit, pero pang display lang.
I'm not sad.
Meron yung
Never